I am Santos Kadam from Rajasri Chhatrapati Shahu College, Kolhapur, Department of English. I speak here for BA third year special English and subject is structure and function of modern English grammar. For this subject I have selected a topic and its name is finite subordinate relative clause. Finite subordinate relative clause, also known as RCL. Here our subject is going to use for the clause. Relative clause can be divided into three categories. We have the first category that is RCL clause. That RCL clause. Next one is zero that RCL clause, and third one is WHRCL clause. First of all, I would like to select here that RCL clause. That RCL clause is going to act always in noun phrase. It is always post modifier in our noun clause. We can take a particular example here. The book that is useful is on the table. The book is useful. This is our clause, and this clause is going to make some relationship with our book. Book is noun and head of our NP. That RCL is here post modifier of our noun. So this is only possibility in our RCL. So we can say this clause of the sentence is only RCL, and this is only that RCL clause. Next one is here zero that RCL clause. Zero that RCL clause is always going to act just like our that clause. Only that conjunction is absent in this zero that RCL. We have good example here. The book, it is present, is on the table. It is present, this clause which is going to make a relationship with our book. So this is connected by a comma, by a particular pause. So we can say this is a relationship between book and next clause. So we have a particular absent which is known only that is absent. So here we have a particular clause, and this is known as a zero that RCL. Next one is here WHRCL. WHRCL is also going to act just like our that. Its function is always post modifier in our NP. We have the best example here, and this example which is known here, the book which I can read is on the table. Here I can read, this is a clause which is going to connect here with our book, and here we have a conjunction that is known WH, which here we have a relationship between WH clause and book, and so we can say this is our RCL clause, and RCL clause is going to use here WH clause. Here we can get an idea for our RCL clause, and this is idea only RCL is going to act within our noun phrase. So we can get a difference between noun clause and RCL. RCL acts in our NP, So it means it is not a separate action in the clause. Thank you.